Hey guys, so we're here for another weekly report for my main YouTube channel on the road to monetization. So as usual, let's check out our main goal. Recapping, our main goal is to get the channel monetized, and what that means is I need to achieve 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last year, the last 365 days. So you can see that we have made significant progress already. So we're at 260 watch time hours. And you know, an issue with YouTube reports is that they don't match, with themselves. So you can see here I have 20 subscribers, here I have 19. So the actual number is 20, but yeah, the thing is, we are making progress there. Those are the main metrics that we're working towards. Let's see what happened this week. So there were two new pieces of content posted. I can show you guys quickly here. So two new reaction videos. And when we go back to the analytics, we can see our top content for this period. So now last 28 days. I could filter that even more to the last 7 days, and it's pretty similar. But the cool thing here is this video here about trend hopping on the Olympics. It was kind of flopping the last time we did a report, but then it kind of picked up over this last week, and it actually brought a lot of watch time hours. So this is now the video that has the most watch time hours in the channel. Click-through rate is okay. It's been shown to a lot of users. Engagement is I would say fine, kinda. It's a long video. It's 26 minutes. Average view duration is 6:50, so not great, but at the same time that the retention is around 25.9%. The watch time hours that I'm getting for this video is really interesting. It's better than all the other ones. So now this video went from an apparent flop, as you can see, for the first few days that it was posted, to an actual success, right? So we are over 1,000 views, 1,300 views apparently. So this is a good video. It's been suggested a lot, and it's appearing on browse features mostly. The main bet that I had with this was that it would pop up in search a lot, but you know, that didn't happen. But anyways, it's been suggested, so that's cool. Now, other than that, my reactions that are not related to Deep Purple, so I posted reactions for a new Richie Kotzen song, a new Mr. Big song, another new Richie Kotzen song. These ones did not do very well in terms of volume of views so far. 30 in 30s, 40s, and 50s. But then this one, Portable Door, I uploaded it, I guess, the day before yesterday, and it has already surpassed these other ones. So clear sign to me here that, you know, first Deep Purple reactions are working out for this new release, the new album that they have, but also maybe there's a trend here, and I want to explore and test it more, but maybe there's a trend of bigger artists driving more views, which makes a lot of sense. You know, Deep Purple is it's a lot more well known than Mr. Big or Richie Kotzen, even though I really love these guys here. Deep Purple is has a bigger fan base, so that's probably something that I'm going to explore going forward, is reactions to bigger artists and to things that might have better search and recommendation performance. What else do we have that is interesting? So again, I think I pointed this out in the last report. Now we are not having days with no views anymore, which is pretty good. In terms of frequency, I'm focusing on 2 videos a week. There were weeks that I posted 3, like this one, because I had this short video. Ready? I was on a trip last week, so I'm sorry, the week before last, so I didn't post any shorts. I do think I have one more recorded, which I should probably test out next week. And let's see what else we have in terms of interesting information here. So lots of impressions, channel views. If we look at the whole history, for videos, over 3,000 views, and for all videos and shorts, we are at apparently almost 10K views overall. In terms of audience, still not that much data for YouTube to organize it, but yeah, things are kind of working out. The main thing for these first moments in terms of a channel lifetime are it's progress, right? And we are progressing towards our monetization goals. That's the main thing. And one key takeaway is the trend hopping, and also the bigger names here, right, that we can react to. And the lazy sod reaction keeps on growing super steady, so that's cool. But even another interesting thing is how watch time in a video makes a lot of difference in total watch time for the channel. So if we see we have 1,200 views for this video, but our let's check here, our average view duration is 2 minutes 50, which means our total watch time is 55, almost 56 hours. Now, if you go back to the other video, the Olympics one, we have around the same amount of views, but close to 3 times as much view duration, which means, of course, close to 3 times watch time. So that's a big thing, right? But this one, it started off super slow, and then it kind of picked up as the Olympics picked up as well. So I guess those are the main takeaways for the week, and we keep moving forward. That's it. See ya.